Happy Vlogmas Day 5. I'm in my car right now. It snowed, but not that, not enough to even show you guys. It's just like barely dusting the mulch. Again, we're still rocking the whatever mascara's left on my eyelashes. We're gonna go with it. We're gonna give the gift that I wrapped yesterday, and you guys could not even see it being wrapped, and I'm so annoyed. But like yesterday's vlog was kind of all over the place, but I still posted it just because I thought it was like kind of relatable, and I want to look back in a little while and, you know, be like, oh my gosh, that one day I was literally just a wreck. So I'm gonna head to school. It's a lot later than I should be heading to school, but I'm a little bit too tired to care. So you've seen a little bit of the unboxing, and I'm trying to put this together, and I figured why not vlog it, so let's do that. This is what I have so far, this little light socket and light bulb. I don't think that's how it goes for some. So this is going to make my life a lot easier. I'm so happy about it. I'm going to show you what each of the lights look like, explain everything that came in it, and then I'll probably link the kit down below maybe in case you're a YouTuber yourself and you're looking for some lights. This is the backdrop. Not 100% sure about this fabric. It's kind of like the, I don't know if you guys can even tell what I'm talking about. Scrubs, but you could totally buy like fabric from like Walmart or whatever to put back there. I did not buy it for the backdrop. I do like the backdrop, but like the stand at least, because what I was using was that, and I would attach a broom out to the end of it, and it just didn't work. It did not work. But yes, I think the actual like stand is really good, and I feel like you could buy really cheap fabric at like Hobby Lobby or Walmart or something like that. This is just like the pole. It also came with these poles, so you can like make the top of that longer if you want, so that's cool. And then it also came with an extra light, 2 more of those backdrops in different colors. And then I also have another light socket here, so you could totally buy like another stand or whatever. Alright, and here are the lights. They look so professional on camera. I really like the reflective umbrella. How do I look? I don't know how I look. I think it's going to make such a difference in my videos. So basically you get one of these like see-through umbrellas, if that makes sense, like translucent umbrellas. These 2 soft boxes, you can flip them. This one I put one way and this one I put the other. You can totally choose. You get 2 of the reflectives. I decided to use 1, but yes, this is everything, and I think it looks so good. You also get 6 of these clamps to like clamp down your backdrop, and overall just really excited to use all of it. I think it's gonna make the quality of my videos so much better, and I'm so excited. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for getting this for me for my birthday, and then the tripod that I'm using right now. I love you guys, and I love this. Okay guys, so Mama brought these like holiday treat things, and Justin's decided that he wanted to try them, so we're gonna do that. This is my little brother, by the way, if you haven't peeped him in a few videos. So okay,
I'm gonna get it for the gold.
you gotta show it before you eat it.
Yeah. It's a little gold one.
Is that dirty? Silver. I have a feeling they're all going to taste the same.
This like tastes like mushroom chili.
I didn't really like that one.
That has flavor.
Here's the entire box. They're really pretty, and I think they'll be pretty to like put on stuff, but they're not that great tasting.
Especially with those. I just these are a little better.
They all taste the same.
Yeah, but those taste a little better.
Okay, so this is like the first, I guess, like real clip I filmed with my lights. Let me know how you guys like them down below. I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog here. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 6. Bye, guys. Are you going to blow them a kiss?
No.
Are you going to like say bye?
No.